Welcome to the Daily Fabric Fondle here at Cotton Weeds Quilt Shop in Freeport, Maine. Today is a special Shop Hop edition of the Daily Fabric Fondle. Today on the Daily Fabric Fondle we'll be doing an unboxing. Today's goodies came from FedEx and it is from Robert Kaufman. Let's see what's inside. The Shop Hop birds! Whoa! Oh, first. Oh, look at this.
This is the rose-breasted grosbeak with blueberries. This is beautiful. These birds are in different poses. Also the female.
And the male. Let's see what's next.
This is the Eastern Bluebird and Cloudberry. Here's the female. I think she's my absolute favorite. Beautiful.
Next up
is the Chickadee on the Winterberry. Black cap Chickadee. And here we have the Hummingbird and Elderberries.
Nice.
Very pretty.
Yes.
And the last one in this box is the beautiful Cedar Waxwing with raspberries. And look, there's even a little bee in there.
Aww.
Isn't that nice? Pollinating for us.
So here are the first 5 bird prints from the exclusive Robert Kaufman line that is available only through quilt shops in Maine. It is printed for our annual Shop Hop. That is postponed this year, but we're still featuring the fabric in the month of April. And you can order it online or you can call the shop. Let's touch. What do you think, Michelle?
I think it's absolutely beautiful. I do have a question.
Ooh, what's your question?
On this cedar waxwing, how do you tell the difference between female and male? Because I don't know.
They do all look the same.
They do. So if anybody out there knows how you tell the difference between these birds, please let us know.
Here's our second box of birds.
And these are the yellow warbler. Here's another one that I don't know the difference between the male and the female. So if someone knows the difference, please let us know. And
Beautiful.
that's the strawberry. Next we have the Cardinal on the juniper berry. The Baltimore Oriole and some blackberries. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the purple finch on a gray dogwood berry bush. These are beautiful. Actually, I think this female is very, very pretty too. The eyes are so intense.
Here's my favorite print.
And the last one, the nuthatch on the bittersweet berry. These birds tend to be upside down on the trees. They like to have their heads down.
Here are the second 5 bolts in the collection. Hold on. Here are the other 5 bolts in the bird collection from Robert Kaufman. Again, exclusively for Maine quilt shops. Let's touch. What a nice hand, huh, Michelle?
Beautiful. And remember, all of our out-of-state friends, that if you want some of this fabric, don't wait. It will be gone.
Designed exclusively for the Maine Shop Hop 20th anniversary.
By Robert Kaufman.
Yes, a designer at Robert Kaufman. Beautiful Maine birds. Well, birds native to Maine.
Yes.
part of Maine Shop Hop each year is the Challenge Quilt. Each quilt shop in Maine designs their own quilt that features the Maine Shop Hop fabric. Our quilt here at Cotton Weeds Quilt Shop used a churn dash pattern to feature each of the birds, the male and female of each bird. And we used 5 of the blenders from Robert Kaufman. This quilt will be available in a kit so that you have all of these same fabrics to make an identical quilt, which comes out to be approximately 63 by 79. The kit, which includes the pattern and the fabrics for the top and binding, will be, who's calling us now in the middle of our video? Will be $99.99. So this is our challenge quilt, and we will have kits available to make the top and binding. And the kits will be available soon for $99.99. Includes all the bird fabric you need, all the blenders you need. For each block, it is a 4 by 5 block quilt. Inner border, outer border. Oh, just one border. Just kidding. And binding. And this quilt is called Dashing Feathers. Let's touch. Oh, nice. Oh, there's my favorite, the nuthatch. Isn't he cute? Or her. I don't know the difference between males and females at all. So. Oh, and here's this little guy. Is it the yellow warbler? Is that it, Michelle?
Yes.
The yellow one? Michelle is behind the quilt. Secrets behind the quilt. Michelle stitched the whole top and long-armed it. Look at that nice design.